All right, now that we got the food porn sounds out of the way, I'll leave you to do whatever you're gonna do or focus on this tonkatsu. So you got your egg, you got your flour, you got your panko, you got your, pork cutlets, pork loin here, about 1/2 inch thick here, and that's it. A little bit of salt on the pork. There you go. Beat your egg. We're talking about beating eggs now, just an egg. Then you're gonna dip your pork in the flour, both sides, dredge it, shake it off. Just give it a little shaky. There you go. Give it a bath because, some pork's filthy. Not this pork though. Put it in the panko, both sides. Don't be afraid to really pack that pork in there. Or the panko into the pork, whatever you want to call it. Do it to the other one because you don't want to be uneven. You want to be equitable. There you go. Now get a pan of oil, hot. You can check it by putting a little bit of panko in. It should sizzle up right away. Use peanut oil, vegetable oil, something with a high smoke point. Put your pork in. It'll only take a minute or two here. It won't take long. You're gonna deep fry it until it's nice golden brown. There you go. It should look something like that when you're done. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Yeah, let it drip off. And if it's a rental unit, don't worry. Let it drip all over the place. It's fine. Slice it up. Serve it over a bed of cabbage and some rice. And then you can top it off with that bulldog sauce or Tonkatsu sauce. I don't know what it is, but it's good. And in the Asian section you might see in the supermarket. There you go. Serve that up. Enjoy. Pork cutlets. There you go.